There's a way you can get absolutely great buyer keywords from manufacturers' sites. Let's see how. Let's find some great buyer keywords related to golf balls. We are in SEMrush now. Titleist.com is the website of a popular golf balls manufacturer. Let's do organic research on this URL. This time we will not be searching for words that begin with best or end in reviews. Instead, we will target another very powerful buyer keyword of the type Product 1 versus Product 2. People typing in something like Product 1 versus Product 2 are eager to buy either Product 1 or Product 2, but they cannot decide which is better. They are looking for some information that will help them make the right choice. If you can provide information that can help them make an intelligent buying decision, you will get the sale. What makes these type of keywords even more appealing is that most affiliates do not seem to target them. For some reason, they overlook these keywords, so the competition for these keywords usually is very less. As you can see, Titleist.com ranks for more than 22,000 keywords. We need to filter the list so that we will see only the kind of keywords we want to see. We want a list of keywords that contain verses in them and get searched between 80 to 500 times a month. Let's set the filters now. The first filter specifies the keyword phrase should contain verses. The other two specify our limits on the search volume. We now have a list of 53 keywords that meet our criteria. Keywords like these are usually very low competition keywords because very few affiliates target them. And these are very powerful buyer keywords. Provide good information and you will be able to get easy sales from these type of keywords. To illustrate, let's check the difficulty score of Titleist Pro V1 versus Pro V1X. Let's get the keyword difficulty. The keyword difficulty score for this keyword is 20. All of the exact match domains are available, and the top 10 results are not very well optimized for this keyword. There is a domain authority 22 site here with page authority of 1 and no backlinks. This is an easy keyword. What makes these type of keywords so very powerful is they are mostly brand name keywords. Folks typing in something like Titleist Pro V1 versus Pro V1X have already decided to buy either Titleist Pro V1 or Pro V1X, but they can't decide which. All you need to do is help them with the decision and you will get the sales. You can do the same with just about any large site. Manufacturer sites, Amazon.com, Walmart.com, almost any large e-commerce site.